In this video, I'm going to show you a couple advanced Google form options. First one that I think is kind of handy is how to create a pre-filled URL. So you're going to go up to responses and you're going to click get a pre-filled URL. Now, you're going to kind of take the form, but you're not going to take all of it. In this case right here, I've added a question, hey, what series of movies are we discussing, Star Wars or Star Trek? I'm just going to click Star Wars and I'm going to hit submit. Now, what this means is it's going to give me this link up top here, where if I copy it and I paste it, it's going to give what looks like to be a blank form, but you're going to notice that one thing is already filled out. If you want to submit a form to a bunch of people and you want to make sure that parts of it are already filled out with the certain things that you want, this is the way to go. For instance, you could do one that was, hey, what day of the week is today? So here I've added that question, but I want to create a pre-filled URL where it's going to have these two already checked off for them. So I go to responses, pre-filled URL, and I'm going to say today happens to be Thursday, and we're going to be talking about Star Wars. So now this link here, just like I showed a second ago, it's going to come out with those already filled in. They only need to fill out the other ones. You could also do this for a text box or a paragraph text where you want them to already have a prompt in there, or you want to have that already filled out for them. So that link that goes at the top, that's going to be what you're going to be sharing with them. One other thing that you might want to do is change where your responses are going to go to. Before, we had to go to a spreadsheet that was linked with this form. But let's say I want to use one spreadsheet and have multiple forms put the information into there. In which case, I'm going to go to Choose Response Destination. Now, I could create a new spreadsheet, which is what it normally does. But now I'm going to do a new sheet in an existing spreadsheet. So I'm going to hit Choose. And I'm going to select from different ones that I have. I'm going to select this one here that I've used before. I hit Select. And now, when I click on responses, it's going to go to this form that I've used for other forms as well. Now, everything is going to be going into here. So you could have one very, very, very big Google spreadsheet and have a bunch of different tabs, each one of them representing a different form. Now, let's say you don't want to use that one anymore. What you can do is either change the response destination or just unlink it. So this means that data will no longer be sent to that form and you'll have to choose where you want that to go to.